All right, cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. We have mechanical banks and still banks to review. So grab a duck, grab your attention, grab a bank, and we will zoom in for more details. Cheers from Ed. Most collectors start with monochromatic, similar to this Mutt and Jeff. Mutt and Jeff's written, this is A.C. Williams. Collectors often evolve to get something a bit more colorful for still bank. This is a still bank too. This is Save for a Rainy Day, duck with the umbrella and top hat, made by Hubley. And then collectors often get into a more deluxe bank like this, mechanical. And this is Hubley, where the monkey fires up and puts change into the organ grinder. This guy was probably made right around 1938 or so. Possibly you then go older, J.E. Stevens for the bird and nest bank, which is mechanical and articulated. And finally, collectors often get into speaking dog banks. I believe this is Shepherd Hardware, and she is articulated. The dog's mouth moves, the paddle moves, you get this moving, and then you get the tail, which when it's on a level surface wags. So this would be the whole gamut of options. Okay, so cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys as well as Marz Auctions. These particular toys will be on auction at the end of the month with Marz, M-A-R-Z Auctions.com, as well as live auctioneers. From a toy love perspective, we love our banks, we love our stills. My friend Christy, for instance, would love to get more stills and do documentation on them, as well as mechanicals. I know I love them too. And keep us in mind, possibly your family has one of these hidden away and it's time to adopt it out. So just call us, email us, and get us a photo. We're happy to assist. Take care. Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys and have a great day.